Hi guys! So, is it useful or important to include a volunteer experience section in your resume? And the answer is definitely yes. And there are several reasons for that. One reason is that it demonstrates your interest in contributing to your community. And of course, that suggests to your prospective employer that you will be interested in being a positive member of the workplace community. Another reason is that it demonstrates that you're interested in doing more than just the bare minimum. And you can imagine how important that is to any company. They want to know that in addition to doing your job, you're also interested in helping your colleagues and, of course, in helping the company become more and more successful. Another reason is fit. And of course, these days, fit is extremely important. Most companies participate in some kind of charity or community events. And if when they see that you are also interested in doing that, it suggests to them that you will be a better fit with the company. And then finally, last but not least, it's extremely important, especially if you are a student or a recent graduate with little or no work experience, because you can develop your transferable and other skills when volunteering. And when I say transferable skills, this includes skills such as working in teams, such as organizational skills, such as communication skills. So it's a fantastic way to complement your work experience if you don't have a lot of it. Well, if you do have work experience, your volunteer experience section usually would go after your work experience section. If you don't have any work experience, you will probably include your volunteer experience section right after your education section. And the format of your volunteer experience section is the same as your work experience. This means that the first thing you should include is your title. The title could be as simple as volunteer, but it's always helpful to make it a little bit more descriptive. The second thing that you should include right after your title is the name of the organization where you volunteered. The third thing that follows the name of the organization is the location of the organization. Usually just include the city and the province or state. It's not necessary to include the street address. And of course, just like in the work experience section, you want to include the dates that you volunteered. So for example, from month and year to month and year. If you're still volunteering there, include the start month and year, dash, and the word present or current. Let me give you an example. I volunteered for the Children's Aid Foundation. I was a fundraiser. So the title of my position was fundraiser, comma, Children's Aid Foundation, comma, Toronto, Ontario, because that's where they are located. And then the month and the year when I started to volunteer until the month and the year when I stopped. Now, since I'm still sometimes volunteering for them, I would put the start month and year dash current. After that line, you want to include 2 to 4 bullet points, starting with an action verb that describe a little bit about what you did for that organization. Now, if you're not sure what action verbs are or how to use them, I created a video in the past describing that, and I will include the link to that video at the end of this video and also in the description to this video. I hope this tip was useful for you, and as always, if you have any comments or questions, make sure to include them below.